In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download bank statements from Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can save a clean, official statement for your records, bookkeeping, or sharing with a third party when needed. Start by heading to your Wise account and look at your list of currency balances. Wise organizes your money into separate currency accounts, so it's important to choose the one you want a statement for. Click the currency you want to see bank statements of. This ensures the statement reflects the correct account details, transactions, and local account information for that specific currency. Once you're inside that currency balance, look to the top right of the screen for the three dots icon. This is the More Options menu. Click the three dots icon at the top right to open the actions available for that balance. If you're on mobile, this menu might appear in a slightly different spot, but it will still look like three dots and serve the same purpose. From the menu, select Statements and Reports. This takes you to the area where Wise keeps all downloadable documents for the selected currency. It's designed to be straightforward, bringing everything related to statements into one place so you don't have to hunt around. Next, select Statements, then click Create Statements. Here, you'll typically see options to choose your date range, such as a month, a quarter, or a custom period. Pick the range that matches what you need. You may also be able to select a file format, like PDF for a clean, shareable document, or CSV, if you want to analyze transactions in a spreadsheet. If you're unsure, PDF is usually the safest bet for official use. Double-check the dates so you capture all the transactions you care about, especially if you're preparing documents for taxes or audits. When your preferences are set, click Download. Wise will generate the statement, and your browser or device will save the file. If you don't see it right away, check your Downloads folder or recent files. On some browsers, you might need to allow downloads if a pop-up is blocked. It's a good idea to rename the file with the currency and date range so you can find it later and store it in a secure location. That's all there is to it. You selected the right currency, opened the options, went to Statements and Reports, chose Statements, created your statement, and downloaded it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.